Start by lining up 2 cage nuts in one leg panel in the second and fourth hole up from the bottom. Then repeat on the opposite leg panel. Fix one plastic side piece securely to the leg panel. With the second bracket, loosely fit the top screw, so you are still able to move the bracket easily. Slot the aluminium drop front into both plastic side pieces, then move the bracket to be in line with the front of the leg panel and secure both screws into the leg panel. You will now be able to finish the assembly by putting the drop front into the upright position,